Hello, welcome. We are here with another unboxing. Today we got a very special package. So let's check it out what we got. It's a big surprise. So to be honest, I don't know what is inside, but I know who sent it to me. So it's a very special thanks to Overthereality for this package. So let's see what we get here inside. T-shirts and Overthereality sticker. Yes. So we can have this on our phone for sure. Let's see. Very good. So we got these stickers with this QR code. So I guess it's the way bringing you to the app. And let's check it out. Oh, I wish I would have green T-shirts. And they send me just green T-shirts. Wow, bro, this is awesome. Oh man, I'm so excited. I want to wear them all right now. Wow, these are very good. Oh, nice. Very nice. Super. And then we have black ones. Yes, no way. Yes, this is something I was needing. I need a hoodie because sometimes it's very cold here, and have a hoodie like this will be very nice for this weather. And well, right now it's summertime, but this will be very nice for me when it's raining and everything. So thank you so much for the reality. I'm very happy and so excited. I want to start to go to outside with these new T-shirts and everything. Oh, the green ones are the best. Oh, I'm so happy. This is a surprise. I didn't know they sent it.